Hey guys, welcome back to Vipin Coding. So guys, this is our third session for Python quiz. We will cover all the Python questions in coming series of Python quiz video. Okay, we have already discussed some questions of Python in our previous lectures. So this is our third class. If you are new here, then please watch previous videos too, and we will continue all the questions basics to advanced questions in this quiz, so you can take part in this session and you can participate in this quiz. So give your best, give your answers in comment section, pause the video and give answers. So guys, let's get started. Our first question is, what will be the output of the following Python code? For example, there is a code that is I is a variable and 1 is a value for this I variable which stores 1, while true is a loop. If I percentage a mod 3 equals to 0, then it will break the statement and print I space plus space equals to 1. Then what will be the output for this code? Let's see. Our options are 1, 2, 3. Second is error, third one is 1, 2, and fourth is none of the above. So pause this video, run this code and give your answer in comment section. And I'm moving to next solution for this question is error. What is the error? Let's see. Syntax error. There should not be a space between plus and equals to. There should not be a space between this. It should be like this, plus equals to. Okay, it is a syntax error. Which of the following functions can help us to find the version of Python that we are currently working on? So our first option is system.version, second one is system.version passing value 0, third one is system.version not passing value, and fourth option is system.version, right? So what is he asking to us? Which of the following function can help us to find the version of Python? Okay, so by for these functions, how we can find the version of Python? Let's see the answer. System.version will help us to find the version of Python. The function system.version can help us to find the version of Python that will we are currently working on. It will also contain information on the build number and compiler used. For example, 3.5.2, 2.3, 7.3, etc. This function also returns the current date, times, dates along with the version. Okay. Next question is, Python supports the creation of anonymous functions at runtime using a construct called, for example, our options are pi, anonymous, lambda and none. So let's see the answer for this. Answer is our lambda. Python supports the creation of anonymous functions at runtime using a construct is called lambda. Python supports the creation of anonymous function, that is functions that are not bound to a name or at a runtime, right? Using a construct called lambda, lambda functions are restricted to a single expression. They can be used wherever normal functions can also be used, right? What is the order of precedence in Python? What should be the order for precedence in Python? Let's see. Our options are exponential, parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Next is exponential, parenthesis, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Third is parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, subtraction, addition. Parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Let's see the answer. Parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. For order of precedence, you should remember the PEMDAS, like to PODMAS. You have already learned about this in our earlier classes. PODMAS mean in our mathematics subject, right? So same you have to use this PEMDAS similar to PODMAS. You should remember this one, right? So next question is, what will be the output for the following Python snippet if x equals to 1? It says if x values 1, then what will be the output for this? Let's see our option 4, 2, 1, 8. What is the answer for this? The answer for this is, sorry, the answer for this is 4, right? The binary form of 1 is 0001, right? The expression x less than 2 implies we are performing bitwise left shift on x, right? This shift yields the value 0010, right? For example, if x equals to 1, then the value is this binary form of value this. If 2, then the value of this, right? 0012, which is the binary form of the number 4. Okay, so next one is, sorry, completed. So this is all about our video. In our next session we will cover some more questions. Till then, happy coding. And if you new here, then you can join us on our YouTube channel, Udemy profile, and we also teach on tutorials point. Then you can find us on there also. So guys, we will meet in our next video. Thank you so much.